Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get more likes on Bumble. Now, to increase your likes, let me show you my profile. Come here at the bottom left. You can come and click on complete your profile to see your old profile. You need to optimize your profile, guys. Make sure you use high quality photos, okay? Use a clear, well lit photo. Use the 6 photos. They give you 6 photos to use. Go ahead and use all of them if possible, right? Make sure you have a compelling bio. You can move these around to choose which one you would like to be the main picture in your profile. Okay. And here, choose your best photo. You can toggle this one on and you can add your favorite interests. It's easier to match people this way, right? Choose causes, communities. Just fill up your profile as much as possible so you can be matched with people that have similar interests. And that it will get you more likes because it puts you and your profile onto more eyes. Okay, more people are seeing your profile. So you stand a greater chance to get more likes. And utilize these prompts, okay? These prompts are very important. Go ahead and utilize them, okay? Let people get a glimpse of your personality, what it would be like to date you, right? So here, for example, after work, you can find me, and then I'm explaining what I would probably be doing after work. I'll probably be hitting the gym or, heading out to the river for an evening run, right? And I can go ahead and update this. As you can see, I had this misspelled. So I update that, and we can choose here in the opening moves, right? The first 3 messages your new match can go ahead and reply to. For example, your ideal first date. This can help get things going. Okay, utilize everything. You can add a bio, just write a fun, punchy intro, add more things about you, your work, your education, gender, right? Is there a location? You can add that as well, your hometown, things like your height, more things about you. The more you add, the more likely you are to match with people. You can go ahead and add your languages, right? Connect some of your accounts, for example, your Spotify, show off your favorite music. Maybe someone checks out your profile and see you are into a similar genre of music that can help you get things going, right? And get you more likes. So this is how you do it, guys, and good luck.